Load and operating limits. There is a limit to what your machine can lift. These limits are different with every machine and every implement. So the limit with pallet forks will be different than the limit with a small landscape bucket, for example. This number will be lower with a pallet fork attachment because the load is further away from the loader itself when it's on pallet forks. Think about it. You can lift more weight if it's closer to your body, but as you move your arms away from your body, you simply cannot lift as much. A skid steer loader operates under the same principle. Every skid steer has what we call a rated operating capacity. This is the weight that the loader arms can handle to any lifting height. Again, this number will vary depending upon the implement that we are using to lift. The further away the load is from the front of the machine, the less weight it can lift. Watch how the operator easily lifts this gravel to any height needed. This means that the load is less than the rated operating capacity of the machine. Watch now how the operator tries to lift this pallet of paving stone and load it onto a flatbed truck. You can see how we can get it off the ground, but it will not go higher than a foot or two. This means that the load exceeds the rated operating capacity of the machine. You can still work with the pallet and move it carefully and safely around the site, but you cannot lift it more than a couple of feet. You may also tip the machine if you try and lift it too high, like this. It takes experience to work with heavier loads.